What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. We back with another video. Alright, this one I'm probably gonna turn it into a little vlog. Probably put a bunch of clips together for multiple days. But messing with the car again. I just did the red on the car not too long ago, probably a couple weeks. But we're gonna go back to the powder blue, baby blue, whatever you want to call it. I mean, I'm gonna have to do this too. But y'all, we're gonna do it. So gotta show y'all the before and after on this side, because I already took the other side off. So we're gonna go with the forged carbon, white, and baby blue accents. So this is the before. And I got AK, we're doing a fair trade. So AK and his girlfriend, Miss AK, they're gonna do my decals. So I'm gonna get these red ones, I'm gonna get them white. Get these white. I really like that hologram though, but and get this white too. So it'll somewhat look decent. It won't be all tacky with the red and stuff. But this is the other side that's off. So I'm doing white calibers because I love that look behind the blue. Taking Superman off, that's gotta go. And that's just about it. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek in this our little shop. So we got cars around this, the tires, so that don't happen, but it happens. So I gotta clean that off. But right now it's got that like satin baby blue on there. So I gotta put the gloss on there. And doing the hood scoop too. Gotta do the front emblem. I'm not doing that one because I'm not taking that off. And then we gotta do the back emblem. Don't mind our dirty garage. Gotta clean up. And then I'm gonna gotta do that one. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get the tires on this side and let y'all look.
Highly emotional creatures. And her emotional needs.
All right, y'all. So I'm sitting here editing, putting these clips together, and I could have sworn I said,
very well.
Look out for the new intro that I just made. And it was in this clip, but I don't know what happened to it. But y'all, let me know what y'all think of my new intro. I just did it the other day, right before I changed the color on the car, so I'm kind of mad I did that. So y'all let me know what y'all think by the insert y'all right now. Here's the new intro. All right, y'all, here's the finished product. I think I like it. That blue look good with it. I gotta get them red decals off though. Let's see what it look like when I take some pictures on the camera. But that blue do good. It go good with that forest carbon. Yeah, really gotta get that red off. And see, I got paint everywhere on the ground. Got a little painting, a little paper. But the white calibers look good. Oh yeah. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Oh, hold on. All right, y'all, that harsh sunlight done went down. Give y'all a better look at the car. Finna go find somewhere where I can get a nicer with that little, you know, that sunset glow. Get that nice orange background. Get that orange glare. That thing hard. That blue with that black forged carbon wrap. White calipers looks real good. I'm just waiting on my white decals to go on the windshield and on the side and make it look more uniform. And I gotta get that my Superman decals. I wasn't gonna put them on, but I did end up painting them. I just get some more double-sided tape. But I might do a little POV in this video. All right, y'all, just putting a little petroleum in to get around the city. Took some pictures. The lights are actually white, they're not purple. But I'm gonna show y'all some pictures we took of the car. I'm gonna flash it on the clip after this. You know, just 20 to get around the city. Hey, y'all know me, once that gas gone, it's time to go home. What?
Gas don't go down now.
Why?
When they put gas in here, it go down. When they have low gas, it go up.
I did not know that. Yeah, I know how them gas station lighting look. Hold on, let me see y'all off. I wish I could ride on blue though. That blue would be so hard. Get y'all just a little cutting up footage. Not cutting up, just a little downshifts.
So you can cut up going down there with you.
Hold my cigarette.
You got on focus?
Yeah, 0.5.
So you need me to hold it?
Nah, I'm gonna hold it so they can see my point of view, my POV. Oh, get out of the way. You should have told me it merged over. I would have.
I was gonna let you do what you gonna do.
Oh, I ain't know it do that. You know, at nighttime. I hear my baby talking. trying to look at. I didn't even see my RPMs. Don't you come out? Y'all don't judge me. I'm trying to drive, record. Don't count my mischief.